We pray as one. If at this time, yung prayer mo ay, mabuti na lang kami, hindi kami binabagyo, hindi kami nababaha, ay swerte namin, feeling lucky me. Wag po yan sana mangibabaw ngayon, mga kapatid. Ang paghihirap ng iba, paghihirap din natin. So don't feel lucky me. Parang ikaw, maswerte. We are not praying as one. We pray as one and say, Lord, please help our land. Maybe you are not affected personally because you have everything secured, safe ka, but makiisa po tayo. Pray. Kahit na, wala naman, okay lang, staycation na lang kami, relax. Yun yung mga kapatid, makiisa po tayong lahat. It's our country. Number 2, ito pong mali rin na attitude. Nagkabagyo-bagyo, baha-baha, sila kasi. When you start blaming other people, yung mga flood control na yan, okay, yan naman ang iniisip mo, but you don't even realize, Lord, ako rin may pagkukulang. Mea culpa. Mea culpa. So don't feel lucky me at sila kasi. That's the worst prayer we have. We say, Lord, as a nation, we come before you begging for forgiveness. We have sinned against Mother Nature. Alam nyo ba, ang pinanghahawakan natin ngayon as the forecast, Northern Luzon, ang pinanghahawakan natin doon, nandyan si Sierra Madre, na somehow will stop or lessen the typhoon and the storm. Pero kawawang Sierra Madre, inubos na yung mga kahoy na mining pa ng mga... See? Mother Nature. We have sinned against Mother Nature. We ask for justice. Lord, you know kung sino po mga nagkulang, mga nagkamali. We know. God knows. Kahit safe sila, saved ba sila? God knows everything. And, sisters and brothers, let this be a time for all of us for cleansing. Every time we have sickness, sufferings, even natural calamities, we are all cleansed. The Lord cleansed the temple. Parang nahahangin sana ang mga negativities natin. Lord, cleanse us of our marketplace mindset. Madalas kasi, pera-pera lang naman eh. Kung ganun palaging mindset natin, we don't learn our lessons. Because we're just for profits. Sa marketplace, di ba yung makaisa ako, tumawad ako, happy na ako, nakatawad ako. Mga kapatid, pwede po ba? You don't apply the marketplace mentality in your life. Parang yan na lang ang prinsipyo ng buhay natin. The Lord keeps reminding us all, love one another, sacrifice, go out of your way, go the extra mile, give the extra smile. Cleanse us, Lord, of our selfishness and our pride.